welcome back to my channel. My name's Sarah and I'm currently studying a Bachelor of Nutrition towards the end of my degree now. And I love making fun food idea videos, different meals that you can have, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and snack ideas as well. So today what I thought I'd make, in light of the current situation going on around the world with the virus and quarantine going on through all over the world, and I've also noticed a lot of people have been stocking up on canned foods, lentils, beans, chickpeas, everything like that. Today I thought I'd show you a way that you can create meals using canned lentils and beans in your meals. So today I thought we would make some lentil patties using brown lentils and also 4 bean mix as well. And I'm also going to chuck some more veggies in it as well. It's a pretty versatile recipe, so you can kind of switch it up however you want. But yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, so I just got some freshly washed parsley that I picked from our veggie garden at home. So I'm just going to roughly chop this. And this will just add some more greens to the mix and give it some flavor as well. Just finely chop those. And then I'm also putting about half a red onion in as well. You could even use brown onion or shallots, just depending what you have at home. I just have some red onion, so I'm going to put that in. This also just adds some flavor as well. So you just want to finely chop the onion as well. So now, first I'm going to add the brown lentils. I also got a small can of 4 bean mix. I'm adding some grated carrots. I left the skin on. There's a lot of nutrients in the skin of the carrots, so and you can't really tell when it's grated if the skin's on, so I just like to put them in as well. And then I'm putting 3 garlic cloves in. And then also the the parsley and the onion. And then I'm also putting some cumin in. And some curry powder. And some salt and pepper to taste. So I've just got all my ingredients in there, and now you just want to mix it all together and mush it all up until it becomes like a nice consistency, a nice smooth paste consistency. This is also a great way to engage the kids, I think, in cooking as well. They're so easy to do. Also, I want to put in about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs in. So I'm just going to put them in. and just going to knead that in as well. Okay, so now we're just gonna make the patties. So you just want to put a sprinkle of olive oil on a tray lined with baking paper. Like that. And then you wanna make patties. So you just take a small handful of that, and then you just want to press them down into a circular shape. And then just put them on the baking tray. Kind of work them around to get them to a good shape. So with the consistency, you want it a pretty wet consistency so they maintain their shape. And it's important to make sure you've really mushed them up well so that they're a good consistency and they'll stay together as well. And with the ingredients, they're pretty versatile. You can literally put whatever you want in them. I've made them with grated pumpkin before. You can do sweet potato. You can put some zucchini in there. They're pretty versatile with what you just have in the fridge at the time. And I also think they're just a good way to get the kids engaged in the kitchen. I know at the moment with the whole pandemic going on at the moment, a lot of kids will be staying at home. So I think it's a good way to engage them in cooking. And just get them involved. So I'm just going to put these in the oven for about 10 minutes, and while they're cooking, we'll go on to the next step of making a nice tzatziki dip, and I'll show you what else I'm going to put on the patties once they're done to make a nice lunch out of them. Okay, so I just got the lentil patties out of the oven. Just make note, after about 10 minutes, I did turn them over the other way and then baked them again for another 10 minutes just so that they were crispy on both sides. So now I'm just going to add the rest of the elements together and show you how I make a little veggie burger out of it. So I'm just adding some mango chutney. This will just give it a little bit of sweetness. Add to that. You don't have to put this on. I just like it because it adds a bit of extra flavour, something different every now and then. And I'm loving mango chutney at the moment. I've been putting it in everything. So just a little bit of that on the patties. And then the tzatziki dip. Put some of that on top. And then that's it. So yeah, really simple, quick and easy meal idea, and they look so good as well. You can make it like a little lettuce burger, put another leaf on top, or just have them like that. You could even put this on some bread if you want to do as well. I've just run out at the moment, so I thought, well, for people who can't buy any bread at the supermarket because it might have been sold out or something, yeah, lettuce leaves are a bit of an alternative that you can use to bread. And yeah, it's a very low calorie meal idea, packed with veggies, and all in all, a great lunch or dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to enjoy these bad boys now. Feel free to comment down below any ideas you have that you can use with canned lentils or veggies that you've stocked up on. I know a lot of people who've been hoarding from the supermarket or stockpiling canned lentils and might be thinking, oh, what do I do? Actually, what meals can I make with these now? So yeah, please feel free to comment down below what types of meals you like to make with canned lentils, veggies, and other beans that we use. And, or if you have any suggestions that I make, or even if you've made lentil patties before as well, feel free to comment down below different things that you add to them as well. Curious to see what others might add. I might be able to add to mine next time. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe, it really helps my channel. So thanks guys, bye.